If you've been getting higher ping and slow internet speeds, your IP address might be a problem. Here's how to fix it. On your keyboard, hit the Windows key and type in CMD. Run it as an administrator. Now type in ipconfig release. And then ipconfig renew. Doing this will give you a completely new IP address and can fix some problems with your ping and internet speeds. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our Paracode Web Dev videos for more.